Welcome to CARZ Trends. Today, we're bringing you an in-depth exploration of a car that blends rally-bred performance with everyday practicality, the Toyota GR Corolla. Born from Toyota's Gazoo racing division and inspired by WRC championship pedigree, this hot hatch isn't just another performance compact, it's a purpose-built machine engineered to dominate backroads, racetracks, and daily commutes alike. We're taking a deep dive into the engineering marvels, design intricacies, performance specs, and real-world ownership costs of the GR Corolla in the US, including financing, insurance, maintenance, and depreciation. Whether you're a die-hard enthusiast, weekend track warrior, or someone looking for a compact car that can do it all, the GR Corolla delivers big in a small package, and we're here to tell you exactly why. Let's start with what makes this GR badge so special. The GR Corolla isn't just a sportier version of a base hatchback, it's a performance machine developed with direct input from Toyota's motorsport team. Under the hood is a 1.6-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine known as the G16E GTS. Don't let its modest displacement fool you. This tiny powerhouse produces 300 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque in the standard core and circuit editions, and up to 295 pound-feet in the hardcore Morizo edition. Paired with a 6-speed intelligent manual transmission (IMT), this car puts you in complete control. No automatics here, just pure driver engagement. What sets the GR Corolla apart is its GR4 all-wheel drive system, a rally-inspired AWD setup with selectable torque splits. Choose between 60/40ths, 50/50, or a rear-biased 30/70ths distribution depending on your driving mood. Whether you're carving corners on the tail of the Dragon or navigating slick winter roads in Colorado, this system provides a level of confidence and capability rarely seen in this segment. The suspension has also been tuned specifically for performance. With a McPherson strut setup up front and a double wishbone independent rear suspension, handling is tight and responsive. The standard GR Corolla comes with Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires, while the Morizo edition includes Sticky Cup 2 rubber. It all adds up to one of the most dynamic hot hatches on sale today, razor-sharp, agile, and confidence-inspiring at speed. The exterior design reinforces this performance intent. Aggressive fender flares widen the stance and house a track-ready tire setup. Functional vents and a triple-exit exhaust aren't just visual flair, they aid in cooling and acoustics. The hood bulges to accommodate the turbo setup, and LED lighting throughout lends a modern touch. It's a car that turns heads without shouting for attention, offering the perfect balance between stealth and statement. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that prioritizes the driver while remaining practical for daily use. Standard sport seats hug you during spirited drives, while the leather-wrapped steering wheel and aluminum pedals add a premium touch. The 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster displays torque distribution, boost pressure, and lap timing, underscoring its motorsport roots. An 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is standard, alongside a JBL audio system in higher trims, perfect for long drives or decompressing after a track session. When it comes to trims, Toyota offers 3 versions of the GR Corolla in the US. The Core Edition is the base model, equipped with cloth seats, basic features, and performance essentials. The Circuit Edition upgrades to a forged carbon fiber roof, front and rear torsion limited slip differentials, hood vents, and suede trimmed sport seats. Then there's the Morizo Edition, a stripped-down, track-focused beast with no rear seats, lighter forged wheels, stiffer suspension tuning, and torque bump to 295 pound-feet. It's named after Akio Toyota's racing alter ego and represents the pinnacle of GR engineering for this platform. Let's talk about the real-world cost of owning a GR Corolla in the United States. As of 2025, the base GR Corolla Core Edition starts around $37,000, the Circuit Edition hovers around $44,000, and the limited Morizo Edition commands roughly $50,000 if you can get your hands on one. Supply is extremely limited. Most buyers will need to consider financing, which in today's market with good to excellent credit, FICO 700 and above typically offers 4.0% minus 5.0% APR on 60-month terms. That means monthly payments for a Core Edition might start around $700, $800 with 10% down, while a Circuit or Morizo Edition might push those figures to $850 minus $1,000 or more. Financing is available through Toyota Financial Services, which often offers promotions on new GR models, and banks such as Capital One, Chase, or credit unions like PenFed or Navy Federal. Some dealers even offer lease programs for those who plan to upgrade every few years. However, leasing a GR Corolla may limit modifications or track usage, something to weigh carefully if you plan on exploiting the car's full potential. Now let's discuss insurance. This is where premiums can swing based on factors like your age, driving history, and location. On average, GR Corolla insurance for drivers aged 25 to 50 with clean records falls between $1,800 and $2,600 annually. States with higher repair labor rates and traffic density, such as California, New York, or Florida, tend to be more expensive. Insurers like State Farm, Progressive, and USAA offer performance car policies that include agreed value coverage and track day protection. Bundling with home or renter's insurance and maintaining a clean record can lead to significant discounts. Maintenance is another key factor. While the GR Corolla is a Toyota, known for reliability, it is still a high-performance vehicle with more demanding service needs than a standard Corolla. Oil changes using synthetic oil are recommended every 5,000 miles and typically cost $100–150 at a Toyota dealership or GR certified service center. Brake pads and rotors may wear faster depending on usage, especially if the car sees track days or aggressive canyon driving. Expect to spend $500–800 annually on routine maintenance if driven moderately, and potentially more with high-performance use. Tires for the GR Corolla vary depending on trim. Michelin Pilot Sport 4s run about $250 per corner, while Cup 2 tires on the Morizo edition can push that closer to $400 each. Track day consumables like pads, fluids, and rotors should also be budgeted if you're taking full advantage of the car's performance. Fortunately, Toyota's dealer network is extensive, and OEM parts are accessible across the US for quick turnaround and peace of mind. Depreciation is often a concern with performance cars, but the GR Corolla defies expectations. Thanks to its limited production, enthusiast appeal, and performance pedigree, the GR Corolla holds its value remarkably well. According to Kelley Blue Book and Edmunds, the GR Corolla retains around 70%–75% of its value after 3 years, far better than most compacts. The Morizo edition, due to its extreme rarity, has even appreciated in some resale markets. That makes this hot hatch not just a performance buy, but a smart financial move for the right owner. Tech-wise, the GR Corolla offers a balance between analog driving thrills and digital convenience. The driver assist suite includes Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Unlike some rivals that strip away safety tech in the name of performance, Toyota includes it as standard, making the GR Corolla a surprisingly practical daily driver. Let's address practicality, a factor that separates the GR Corolla from other weekend toys. With a usable rear seat in Core and Circuit editions, 17.8 cubic feet of cargo space, and 5-door accessibility, this car can handle grocery runs, road trips, and commuting without compromise. Fold the rear seats flat and you've got ample room for luggage, track gear, or a set of mounted race tires. It's a rare blend of fun and function, one of the few performance cars you could genuinely daily drive in all seasons. When it comes to lifestyle fit, the GR Corolla appeals to a wide demographic. Young enthusiasts appreciate its aggressive styling and manual-only transmission. Seasoned drivers respect its mechanical purity and rally lineage. And families find comfort in its Toyota reliability and safety features. It's one of the few cars that checks all the boxes: daily drivable, track-capable, visually exciting, and financially accessible for those with good credit and budget discipline. Custom